Hey, it is June 12th, and it is a nice day here in Alexandria, Virginia. And this is my daughter's 2003 Civic LX. And actually, she's here right beside me.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm assistant today.
Assistant today. I don't think she wants her face shown, but I'm going to show you what we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is replace the engineer filter. So I got this at Chihi Honda the other day, and genuine part. And the air filter is under this thing. And thing is, these are 8mm little bolts. So I'm going to pull those off and see if we can open this up, see what's inside, okay? I don't know how long it has been since I replaced this, but I do remember replacing it a long time ago. Probably a couple years. The car has around, what's it got, 184,600 miles? Something like that. Okay, so here, we'll pull this out. Oh, wait, it doesn't come out. It stays there. Nice. Oh, that's sweet. So let me get the rest of these off. Oh boy, there we go. Now that it's loose, I'm just gonna do this by hand because it's easier for me. All right, yeah, so these just stay in there. Nice. Not gonna come out, which is nice. I won't come out and lose them somewhere. There you go. Okay. There we go. That's loose. That's loose. That's loose. That's loose. That's loose. And this is loose. So, okay, good. Okay, so I think all we need to do is pull this up. Oh, there it goes. Nice. Oh, hey, how cool is this? And it is, oh my gosh, it's inside here. And it is dirty. So, put that right there. And it comes out like, there you go. There we go. Just like this. That's how it goes. And you can see in here it's kind of dirty. I don't know when we did this last, but it could definitely use a new filter, okay? Okay, so just use some scissors to take this off, and hang on, there we go. Yikes, there we go. And here's what I am gonna do. Let's get a comparison shot here. Okay, you got that? New, old, and geez, this feels greasy too. Alrighty, so let's get this in, and let me see. We're gonna, okay, so let's look underneath here just to see if there's anything. Yeah, why? Okay, here we go, here we go. This looks really clean in there, very nice, clean. Whoop, little piece of something. Okay, everything looks really nice and clean. It's been tight. Okay, all right. Oh, so I'm just gonna put this in and make sure it's, was it this way or no? It only goes one way because you can't go in this way because it won't work right. All right, so we'll get this, and there you go. Just there you go. That'll be in. So it's nice and flat. It's not like. So hey, actually, this rubber is kind of sticky a little bit. It kind of goes down and sticks right in there nicely. Okay, that's good. So let's put this back. This is actually kind of heavy. All right, so everything's good. And what was that? Oh, that's that's the screws. You know, and I'll put this down like this. Okay. All right, so let's see. Boy, the crows are crowing up there. All right, so hang on. Just hold on to it here, and this just goes in like this, like this. Okay, nice. So it's in there just nice and secure, tight, no problems at all. And let's just tighten it up. And once again, this is a 8mm, right? Isn't that what we found out?
Yeah.
8mm, okay. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna just hand tighten these things down nicely. There we go. That's nice. So the lenses are big here. Okay, there we go. So I just kind of alternate. Tighten up on here, on there. Okay. And and let's see, what's this one in the back here? So I'm thinking, just to make sure, you know, you want these to go in nice and smooth. You know, you don't want to force it. If you have to force it, you know, that means it's something. The threads aren't lined up, and you don't want to mess around with that. So here, okay. So now I can tighten them up. That's cool. There you go, that's tight. So that's tight. This is tight, nice and snug. And this is nice and snug. All right, job well done. And then this will go right here, nice and snug. Okay, whoop. All righty, how's that for a deal? Okay, so nice. Okay, so here we go. Thank you for my daughter here, who is doesn't want her face shown, but she's doing the filming. All right, little engine that could. 184,600 and some miles, I think, and it's running like a top. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a wonderfully blessed day.